Hi everyone and welcome to another Laser Mania video. Yes, as you can see in today's video I will show you how I customized my t-shirt using my K40 laser.
First thing I need to do is the design. So let's get this done. I'm using Inkscape and I will show you some easy way to do that. And in the end I will show you how to set it up properly for your laser. What I'm doing now is select the inner holes of the design and I'll make the laser cut them. That will allow me to weed the design easier because the hole will be cut and I don't need to peel the little circles every time. With blue I have the vector engraving, which will allow me to do that kiss cut, which is cutting just one layer of the material. Let's save this and then we will go in the Whisper for more settings. These are my settings for cutting the vinyl, but for you it might not work. You just have to try different settings and find out which one is the best for you. So here is the vinyl I was talking about. This is from EasyWeed. It's called EasyWeed Scissor and is PVC free, which allows a safety cut on a laser. You can find the link in the description below. Oh I forgot to mirror the design. I didn't think it twice. Let's do it again. That's how I was talking about in the Inkscape. You can see now how easier to with the vinyl is. without having to peel each individual hole. Next step is to press it on my t-shirt. I have just a simple Chinese heat press here, but you can use even a iron, is fine. So just prepare the t-shirt, press it at I do 190 for 30 seconds, 35 or whatever you choose, even less than that.
That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video and you learned something useful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and see you next time.